Hey everyone, it's Gunter here, and I thought it would be some fun to do a bit of an unboxing video. Now, it's not going to be as exciting as unboxing a new laptop or a phone. It's going to be kind of a virtual one because I'm going to do it on the Side Hustle Toolbox 3.0. If you've been watching any of the mails that have been coming from me, some of my social media, even my podcast, I've been talking about this a lot. Not only because I'm really honored that one of my products has been bundled in this, but just because this toolbox represents a significant amount of value. You can see, you've got 30 odd courses and ebooks available in here, retailing at a total of $4,900, available for just $49 for a week. You'll see the countdown timer at the bottom of the screen here. So it really is a limited time offer. It's great value for money. I'm going to go ahead and buy a copy just to show you how easy it is. And then I think what we'll do after that is probably some reviews, maybe just digging into a little bit of what it looks like inside so you can get an idea of that. So as I said, limited time offer. Let's go ahead and buy it. And let's imagine it's a bit of an unboxing example or an unboxing adventure. So let's go ahead. As you can see, I'm on the landing page. I'm going to say, yes, I want this deal. I'm going to fill in my customer information. So in this case, it's just me. It knows where I already am. Oopsie daisy. My email address. Yeah, as I said, it knows where I already am. Don't know if I need my postcode. I agree to the terms and conditions, and I'm going to continue. It does need a postcode. So let's get that filled in and let's continue. Now, it's going to offer you options to pay by credit card or PayPal. I'm going to do PayPal because I think that's quicker. It will also ask you if you want to get access to the Unfair Advantage cheat sheet. Just note this is a good upsell. There's some good value in there. It will set you back an additional $37 though. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go for the toolkit just now, and let's see how we go. Right, I'm going to complete my order. No doubt it'll ask me for my PayPal details. Make sure we've got the right PayPal account here. Let's log in. Right, choose the right bank account. And let's go. Completing order looks promising. Seems like there's money in my account. It's all going through. And there we go. So thank you for your purchase. The order is complete. Next steps, there'll be a receipt via PDF and new member account details. So there we are, all ready to go. Okay, so I'm going to stop it there. I'll get my new details and we'll log on to the bundle and see what it looks like.